I just want to really to show you really this one. So this one, this like oversized or the baggy jeans. Okay, so for some reason yung baggy jeans sa women's section is better than the one that we have on men's section. So I opt to choose this one, to purchase this one. So Love Soho Denim is the brand. Purchase this for $16.99. Okay, so yeah, this is a baggy jeans. It's really good fit on me. Kita mo naman yan. Kita mo yung fit na yan, di ba? Tignan mo yung legs ko. Oh, di ba? Ganda, boy. Kitang-kita naman yan. Di ba?